Hello, you're watching the Auto Advisor channel. Have you ever wondered what the future holds for electric vehicle batteries? Are lithium batteries becoming a thing of the past? Well, let's delve into this intriguing world of energy storage and uncover some truths. For years, lithium-ion batteries have reigned supreme in the electric vehicle industry, and for good reasons. They offer high energy density, meaning they pack a lot of power into a small space. They also charge quickly and have a long lifespan, making them the go-to choice for EV manufacturers. But like all rulers, the lithium-ion battery has its flaws. Firstly, they're expensive to produce. The high cost of these batteries is a significant factor in the steep price tag of electric vehicles. Secondly, lithium isn't exactly plentiful. We're digging it up faster than we can find new sources, leading to concerns about future supply. And then there's safety. You may have heard stories about lithium batteries catching fire. This is due to their liquid electrolyte, which can be highly flammable. Lastly, there's the environmental impact of mining lithium, a process that's far from green. These challenges have spurred scientists and manufacturers into action, prompting a global race to find a suitable alternative. An alternative that's not only as efficient as lithium-ion batteries, but also safer, cheaper, and more sustainable. Emerging from the pack of contenders is a new type of battery technology that could potentially revolutionize the EV industry. Sodium solid-state batteries are causing quite a stir. Like lithium, sodium can store and release energy, but it's more abundant and cheaper than lithium, making it a tantalizing prospect for future energy storage. And here's the kicker. These sodium batteries use solid electrolytes instead of liquid ones. This means no more flammable liquids, resulting in safer and more stable batteries. The future of EV batteries might very well be paved with sodium. As we move forward, it's clear that the reign of lithium-ion batteries is being challenged. One of the most promising alternatives is sodium solid-state batteries. As we continue to strive for better performance, lower cost, and more sustainability, the electric vehicle industry is set to undergo a seismic shift. Recently, a team of researchers from China announced that they have developed a new type of sodium solid-state battery. But what makes these batteries different from lithium ones? The answer lies in the science behind both types of batteries. Like lithium-ion batteries, sodium solid-state batteries rely on the movement of ions to store and release energy. In lithium-ion batteries, lithium ions move from the negative electrode or anode to the positive electrode or cathode when the battery is discharging, and the opposite occurs when the battery is charging. Sodium-ion batteries function in a similar manner, with sodium ions making the journey instead of lithium ions. Now you might be wondering, if they're so similar, why the switch to sodium? The answer is twofold. Firstly, sodium is far more abundant and cheaper than lithium, making it a more sustainable and cost-effective option. Secondly, sodium solid-state batteries use solid electrolytes instead of liquid ones, which eliminates the risk of fire and improves the stability and durability of the battery. However, sodium ions are larger than lithium ions, which means they need more space to move around in the electrodes. This reduces the amount of active material that can be packed into the electrodes, thereby lowering the battery's energy density. Essentially, this means that a sodium battery of the same size as a lithium battery might not be able to store as much energy. But don't be too quick to write off sodium batteries. To overcome this challenge, researchers are developing new materials and structures that can accommodate more sodium ions without compromising performance. For instance, the team from China has developed a battery that can deliver 160 watt-hours per kilogram of energy density, which is close to the 200 watt-hours per kilogram of the best lithium-ion batteries. In conclusion, sodium solid-state batteries hold a lot of promise. They might not replace lithium-ion batteries overnight, but as the technology continues to improve, they could play a significant role in the future of electric vehicles. To overcome this challenge, researchers are developing new materials and structures that can accommodate more sodium ions without compromising performance. So, can sodium-ion batteries make electric cars cheaper? Certainly, the cost of electric vehicles is a major hurdle in their mass adoption. The high price tag is largely due to the cost of the batteries, particularly those of the lithium-ion variety. But what if we could slash the cost of these batteries in half? That's the potential of sodium-ion batteries. Sodium, being far more abundant and cheaper than lithium, brings a significant cost advantage. When we replace lithium with sodium in the battery's composition, the cost of producing these energy storage devices dramatically decreases. Some estimates suggest that sodium-ion batteries could reduce the cost of EV batteries by up to 50%. Now, imagine the impact of this cost reduction on the price of electric vehicles. A 50% decrease in the cost of the battery could translate into a substantial reduction in the overall price of an EV. This would make electric vehicles more affordable, accelerating their adoption and helping us move faster towards a sustainable future. But it's not just about estimates and potential. Real-world applications of sodium-ion batteries are already on the horizon. Take the case of CATL and BYD, two leading Chinese battery manufacturers. They've announced plans to introduce electric vehicles powered by a mix of lithium-ion and sodium-ion battery packs. Why a mix, you might ask? Well, this hybrid approach allows them to leverage the benefits of both technologies. They can utilize the high energy density and quick charging times of lithium-ion batteries, while also capitalizing on the cost benefits of sodium-ion batteries. These manufacturers claim that their new EV models, powered by this mixed battery pack, will hit the market by the end of this year. And the most exciting part? They're expected to be priced lower than comparable models running on pure lithium-ion battery packs. It's clear that sodium-ion batteries hold great promise for the future of electric vehicles. Not only could these batteries help us overcome the limitations of lithium-ion technology, but they could also make electric vehicles more accessible to a broader range of consumers. These EVs will have lower prices than comparable models with pure lithium-ion battery packs. This is the future we're looking at, and it's not too far off. Given the high cost of lithium and the insufficient number of its deposits, it is mined in 8 countries: Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Zimbabwe, Chile, Portugal, China, and the United States. The new sodium battery will provide a higher economic benefit. Another advantage is that sodium batteries do not need cobalt, which is required in lithium-ion batteries. Most of the cobalt used today to make lithium-ion batteries is mined in the Democratic Republic of Congo, where rebellions, unorganized mining, and child labor create uncertainty and moral quandaries about the cobalt trade. Tesla, a leading electric car manufacturer, is also showing interest in sodium-ion battery technology. In 2020, Tesla filed a patent application for a sodium-ion battery, which is said to have the potential to be a cheaper and greener alternative to lithium-ion batteries. Overall, sodium batteries can provide a cost-effective, safe, and environmentally friendly alternative to lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles. However, further research and development is needed to optimize their performance and bring them to market.